Hey guys, it's Roy from RLCO12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Slimline case by Encased for the Google Pixel 6. I have never worked with this company, and this was my first time ever seeing one of their cases. Now, I'm going to tell you, based off of my first impressions with this Slimline, I am very impressed with Encased, I am very impressed with the Slimline case, and I am looking forward to working with them in the future. So let's go ahead and let's put this on the phone, and I'll show you guys some of the features here. So to put it on the phone, you're going to go ahead and you're going to slide it in with the right side first. That's the side with the power and the volume buttons. You're going to pop it down in, and presto, you're good to go. Now, one thing you will notice is that here on the side, it is an open side. A lot of those slim cases, they don't put a lot of extra bulk here, and so they don't have a lot of room to give you for these power and the volume buttons. So there is nothing impeding those power and volume buttons, so you will be able to use them without any issues, but it's still raised up just a little bit there to give you just a little bit of impact protection if it were to fall on the side. Here up top, you will see a cutout for your noise canceling mic, and I'm going to point it out here real quick, but you will see these little gaps here on each of the corners. Those gaps are what hold it into the phone. It makes it so that this case does expand a little bit, and you can pop that phone down in. There's nothing to worry about with those. They're just there to make it so that the case will fit the phone. Here on the bottom, you will see a cutout for the USB-C charging port, as well as for your microphone and for your speakers. And this hole is sufficiently large enough where you're not going to have any problems using it with any USB-C charger. And then here on the back, we do have this raised piece, as well as a cutout for your flash, your camera, and your other sensors. It is large enough that it does fit the entire camera bar there, and it is screen protector friendly. You can see here I do have a screen protector on the back of my camera, and as you can see here, it is not pushing up on the corners of any of that, and there's no issues with the screen protector bubbling. Now, also here on the back, we do have that kickstand I pointed out earlier. You just pop that out there, and it is held in place with a magnet so that it doesn't pop open in your pocket. You just flip that up, presto, it's good to go. You can put it here on its side, and it does allow you to use that in a hands-free landscape mode. Now, one thing I do wish was a little bit different on the case here is that there is no lip on the front of this case. I don't currently have a screen protector on here. However, this would be a screen protector friendly case just because of the fact that there is no lip here. So if you're setting that face down, it is going to cause scratching on your screen. It doesn't have that raised lip that offers additional protection for you. That's not a big deal because most people are going to be using screen protectors, and this is a super durable Gorilla Glass phone. However, it still pays just to have that little teensy bit of extra protection. Now, I do have a screen protector I do need to put on the front of the phone. I don't have it on yet because I'm saving it for another video. However, as you can see here, I put that on, and there's no issues with that screen protector coming up anywhere near the sides of the case. It does come with this little hip holster here. That hip holster does allow you to twist that around so that you can use that in any position on your belt. You can go ahead then and you can slide your phone in. One of the nice things is it does have this little felt pad there so that when you're sliding that in, you don't have to worry about your screen getting scratched up. So one other thing you'll see with a lot of cases like this where they do come with that hip holster, that belt holster, is that you can take your phone out and you can put it in backwards as well. However, because of the gigantic camera bump as well as this kickstand, that doesn't work with this hip holster. Now, one last thing I do want to point out is that this case does support wireless charging. With those two bumps on there, it is a little bit trickier to find the right spot to put your charger, but if you do have a good wireless charger, you can get that lined up and you can charge your phone wirelessly. So all in all, it's a super great case. I really like the look of it. I like the feel of it. There is that one downside here that I was mentioning with the front of the screen not having that additional lip that I like to have. However, like I said, most people do have that screen protector on there, so that's not going to be a big issue for most people. And at $15 for the case as well as for the holster, this is a case that I would be hard-pressed not to recommend. So I would definitely recommend you guys check this out. We'll have links in the video description down below where you can order one for yourself. If you guys have any questions about the Slimline, about Encased other products, or about the Google Pixel 6, feel free to hit us up in the comment section. We'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.